Like that. Working with this dog that's been thrown out, trying to gain his trust. This is the first time he's let me get up this close to him. Got your treat. Got your treat. You want this? Yeah? Oh, that's a good boy. Here. Here, look out. Look. Oh, that's the first. I've been feeding him for a little over, what, let's see, a little over 3 weeks now. And today's the first day that he's took a treat from me, as y'all just seen. And this is the closest I've been to him. Normally he stays back about 20 feet. You still hungry? Right here. Some more. He's taking right up with me now, huh? Hopefully find him a home. Somebody's thrown him out. I'm just trying to feed him until he finds him a home. He's got a little nub for a tail. Oh, Nubs. Ain't that right? That's your name? Haven't had a name yet. You guys leave a comment. Help me name him. Call him Nubs from now on. Until we find him a good name, I guess. You did right, Nubs. We're gonna call you Nubs? Huh? Another bite? Here. Come here. May have another treat in the truck. Come on. You want this? Look. Good bite. What's that? Well. You gonna let me pet you? Let me pet you? Huh? Wow, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah, it's a good boy. That's the first, huh? That's the first petting. You like them little ears rubbed? Yeah? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good little boy. You like that? Yeah, you're taking up with me now, huh? Now that I got food? Pet them ears? Huh? You like that? Well, guys, that's different. Took all this time feeding you to get you to take up with me, huh? All right. You still hungry? You're a big eater, ain't you? Well, that's great. I'm glad you let me pet you. You want to let me pet you again? Huh? Come here. Come here. Come here. We had a moment there, didn't we? Ain't that right, Nubs? Huh? Yeah? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. I'm going to try to pet him while he's eating because I don't really know how he is about that. Come here. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. Yeah. You like him ears, pet? That's a good boy. I rescue so many dogs. You want to keep them all, but you can't. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. It's a good boy. He's been so shy about letting me get close to him. This is the closest. And I mean, everything just happened at once, didn't it, buddy? Got to get up close to you while you was eating. Got to pet you, give you a treat, all in the same day. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, huh? Look at that old big wet nose. I believe he'd be a good dog for somebody. You'd be a good boy? You'd be a good boy, wouldn't you? You'd be a good boy, wouldn't you? Come on. Yeah, come on. You'd be a good boy. Yeah, you'd be a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Yeah, about 3 weeks now I've been trying my best to get him to come down and take a treat from me. He'd been staying up here on the hill behind this house. Look at his little nub. Oh, nubs. He's a good boy. Yeah, somebody throwed him out down the road here, just down below, and he'd wandered his way up through here. Yeah, I don't know, I guess we'll have to figure. Now that we can pet you, next thing would be to take a car ride to somebody's home. That way you can have your forever home. Huh? You want some more? You got the same thing right here. You got the same thing right here. Yeah. You want some more? Look. I believe that treat is what sealed the deal with me and you, wasn't it? Yep. Couldn't resist them treats, could you? I knew if I give them to you every day, you'd finally come around. Yep. You want to follow me to the truck? See if I can get you another one? Come on. Come on. You want to follow me out here to the truck? Come on. Look here, got you a treat. Well, you let me walk up to you without running off? Yeah. Well, guys, that's how it's done. He'd been so shy and scared, he wouldn't even come close to me, about 20 feet or so. As close as he'd come to me. I don't know if he'd been mistreated or if he'd just been thrown out or what, but he's starting to gain a little bit of weight. He was so skinny when I first found him here. He was down here by the cemetery, and he wandered his way up through here. As I put food out, I kept putting it out just a little bit further until he wandered his way up to here, to the houses, to where I could kind of keep an eye on him, because I was afraid something down through our coyotes and stuff would get him. Because where we're at, it's out in the hills. Ain't that right? This is out in the hills, buddy. Yeah. Oh, Nubs, that's what we're gonna call you, ain't it? Is that Nubs? Is that a good name? Huh? Old Nubby Tail? Got old Nubby Tail. He acts like he might be playful. Would you be a playful pup? Huh? Look at this, what I got. Got another treat. Would you be a playful pup? Huh? I believe you would. Yep. Hadn't made a video in a while, so really hadn't had any time to make one. And now Nub's here. He's gonna be the star of the show for a little bit till we can find him a home. Are you done? You done eating? He's had enough of my attention today, I guess. Well, guys, I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Till the next time, y'all be sure to like the video, subscribe. But yeah, till the next time, we'll see you later.